गोयचो म्हालगडो राजकारणी चर्चिल आलेमाव हांणी फिफा विश्व चषकांतल्यान जायत्यो टॉप टिमी भायर पडपा खातीर रेफ्रीक दोश दिला आनी मुखेल पदाधिकाऱ्यांच्या चुकांचो म्हत्वाच्या मॅचींचेर परिणाम जाता असो आरोप केला. फुडल्या सर्तींनी नितीमतां आनी निपक्षपाती रेफ्रीपणाची खात्री करची अशेंय तांणी फिफाक सांगलां. तशेंच आलेमावान अर्जेंटिनाक 2026 वर्साचे फिफा विश्व चषक जिखपा खातीर तेंको दिला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
म्हणजे तुका सांगपा जाता जायत्यो टिमी बऱ्यो बऱ्यो ह्या वर्ल्ड कपाक भायर पडल्या. कारण म्हणटा 11 प्लेयर फुडें आसता. 11 तितून एक रेफ्री आसता. गेम जिखतलो जिखूच ना ती खातीर रेफ्रीको आसता. जर तरी रेफ्री तरी सारको न्यूट्रल जालो तेन्ना जे खरें बरें खेळटाय ते मुखार येता. सिंपल एग्जांपल दिता तुका. फ्रांस आज भायर पडपा कारण पयलीं तेमकां दुसरे गेम ओपोजिशन गेमीक पेनाल्टी दिली. सो दे बिकम डिमोरलायज. यू अंडरस्टँड न्हू? हें म्हाका दिसता कित्याक एक्झॅक्टली पेनाल्टी न्हू ते पांय चुकोन पडलो. दिवपा जाल्यार दितात पूण पेनाल्टी नाय म्हणून आतां. पूण ती पेनाल्टी दिना म्हणे एक गोल देना जाय आसलें म्हणे दुसरी गेम डिमोरलायज जाता. आय वॉज व्हेरी अपसेट बिकॉज France is lost. France got a good team. France got a good team. And Mbappe is the number 1 player today, I can say. But what happened? They are demoralized. You know, it is a purposely he didn't hit that boy. Referee can avoid that penalty. So one on that penalty, they demoralized and France lost. This is my feeling. I don't know. The secondary, Cape the Verde, every many teams are gone lost because of the mistake by the referees. And I think though it is the I heard about a system. Maybe Argentina is going to take this cup. I think so because I've seen it. The best teams are out. London is out. England is out. France is out. I don't know. Spain. People kept a hope. I also kept a hope. What Spain will do, I don't know. But problem is, I'm thinking what is going on the ground and what is happening on the ground. I'm thinking they want to take Argentina away to take this cup.
So Argentina जितली.
I tell you now, the teams I've seen many, the best team are lost. How they lost? I keep it in my mind because I cannot announce. If I announce, I'll say I'm always grumbling the referee. 22 players are playing. One player can manage who to win. Is the referee. Best teams are lost. I don't know. Most probably, I think they are kept in their mind, high level, Argentina will to win.